Have you ever applied lotion, looked in the mirror a few minutes later, and you're still wondering why your skin still looks ashy? If that has happened to you, you are definitely not the only one. You moisturize your skin, and before you know it, your elbows, your knees, your body start looking dry again. It can be frustrating, especially when you know you're doing everything right. The truth is, it doesn't always mean that your skin is dry. It is because you're using a lotion that doesn't give your skin that kind of moisture that it needs. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my top 5 body lotion that works really well for dark skin. And these are lotions that help keep your skin soft, healthy looking, and moisturized without making it look dull and ashy. If you have dark skin, you will probably notice that dryness is easier to see when your skin is not properly moisturized, especially on your elbows, your knee, your ankles, and your feet. What many people don't know is that dry skin can look different in many skin tones. On a darker skin, dry skin is more noticeable. So by the end of this video, you will know which lotion are worth buying and the skin type that is best for, and the ingredients you should always look out for when buying a body lotion. So the first lotion I'll be recommending here would be Sheer Moisture Raw Body Butter. If your skin gets really dry, this is the body lotion you should consider buying. And the first thing you'll notice is that it is richer than the regular body lotion. And that is because it contains shea butter, which helps to moisturize your skin and stay for a very long time. Unlike lighter lotions that can leave your skin feeling dry few hours after you applied your lotion. And this one gives a long-lasting moisture. And once it absorbs into your skin, it leaves your skin feeling soft and healthy looking moisturized body without your skin feeling ashy or dry. And one mistake people make is applying too much at once. You don't need to apply too much. Just apply a reasonable amount on your skin, and it's going to lock in moisture, and it's going to also last on your skin all day without making your skin feel dry and all of that. And this lotion is best for someone who has a very dry skin. Okay, if you have a very dry skin, you should consider buying this lotion. It is very good and it is very amazing. And the scent is mild. It's not too strong. Okay, it has a decent scent that is not going to compete with your perfume. So it's a very good lotion. You should try it. So the next one I have on my list will be Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. So Palmer's is made with cocoa butter, which helps to lock in moisture in your skin. So to compare to the first one I mentioned, it absorbs into your skin faster because it's a bit lighter than the other one. The first one is a bit thicker, but Palmer's is a bit lighter, but it absorbs into your skin and it hydrates your skin very well. And one thing I like about it is the glow it gives your skin. It doesn't make your skin feel oily or heavy or greasy. It moisturizes your skin. It leaves your skin looking glow and healthy. And if you're looking for everyday moisturizer that helps your skin looks its best on a special occasion, then Palmer's is the one for you. Okay, then the next one will be Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Lotion. So if you're looking for a very good body lotion that doesn't cost much, that is very affordable and very easy to find anywhere, this Nivea body lotion is very good. I actually use it. It's very good. I've tried it myself and it's good. It's worth buying. So if you're looking for a very good body lotion that is very affordable and won't cost you much, then Nivea Cocoa Butter Body Lotion is the one for you. So to compare to the first two on the list, this one has a bit lighter texture. It spreads easily, absorbs easily, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling sticky or greasy or oily or heavy. So it's very good. So even though it is lightweight, it still does the job. It still moisturizes your skin very well. Especially during the Harmattan time, it keeps your skin glow all the time. So it's a very good cream that you should also try out. And the next one on my list will be CeraVe Hydrating Moisturizing lotion. So CeraVe is made with ingredients like ceramide and hyaluronic acid, which also helps to hydrate your skin, to moisturize your skin as well as a dry skin. As a dry skin, these two ingredients helps to hydrate and moisturize your skin very well. So if you have sensitive skin, eczema, and your skin gets irritated easily, this CeraVe body lotion will be very perfect for you. And CeraVe focuses more on keeping your skin healthy, hydrating, and moisturized. So the last one on my list will be Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant. And one thing I like about this lotion is how comfortable it feels on the skin. Skin feels soft, smooth, and well moisturized without that sticky feelings that many lotions leave behind. So it's a very good lotion that moisturizes your skin, doesn't make your skin heavy or feel some type of way. It feels so comfortable and very good on the skin. And it also contains cocoa butter, which moisturizes the skin and is also very good for all skin type. And here is a tip that makes a difference. If you come out of the bathroom, don't wait till your skin is totally dry. The best way to apply a body lotion is when your skin is damp, not when your skin is wet. Like when your skin is damp, you apply your lotion. It makes it easier to apply and it locks in moisture. And sometimes the glow you are looking for doesn't actually come from expensive skincare or expensive lotion, expensive oils and shimmer. It comes from moisturizing your skin properly, comes from your skin looking healthy, looking well moisturized and well hydrated. And that is it for today. And I hope that this list helps you find a body lotion that works for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.